Hey guys, I have the November BoxyCharm for you guys. This is a try on video as well, so I will have timestamps down below just in case you want to jump to any of the areas in this video. I do receive this in PR, but I am also subscribed to BoxyCharm, so you can see which videos are not PR and which ones are, and kind of compare what I get and what I like from each one. And definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed, if you're new here. I also have an Instagram where I do a lot of beauty related things down below, as well as a Facebook if you're on either of those social media platforms. I'd love to have you over there. I love sharing all kinds of beauty related things over there. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. And like I said, this is a PR box, so BoxyCharm does send this to me. I do have an affiliated link with them down below. So, ta-da! This month is Harvest, which has to do with November, Thanksgiving kind of thing. And my number is 54. So this is version number 54. So the first thing in here is the 111 or 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. This is $135. Ooh! Anytime like 111 is in here, I'm just like, what? It is amazing. I have used this one, so I will put this into a giveaway with you guys. I am trying to prepare one for here for YouTube, or you know what, I'm gonna do a giveaway and you guys can enter here. So leave your email or your Instagram down below, and then you can enter on Instagram as well. I'm gonna do like a big box of just makeup with skincare and the whole 9 yards. So if you want a big box of mystery stuff, let me know, and you can just enter down below if you're interested. If not, it's okay, keep it moving. Anyway, so this is actually really nice. I have tried this previously, so I don't want to really try it or anything because of the fact that I have tried it, but it comes in a little bottle like this. It's very hydrating and really nice for the skin if you need hydration. And like I said, it is pricey. It is pricey. So the next thing in here is Volution Beauty. It's a snow mushroom water serum. Ultra hydrating serum. It has snow mushroom, which is supposed to help decrease pores. This is $62. I didn't try this as well in the try on portion because of the fact that I have so much skincare. I literally just got some serums and new stuff that I have just incorporated, so I don't want to use some stuff, and I sometimes like to give back to you guys. So this is something perfect to add on to that giveaway. Like I said, just leave your email where I can contact you, or your Instagram if you're following me on Instagram. So you can enter here or you can enter in Instagram. Okay, next thing in here is the Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This is $24, and I actually have that on my brows, and I did use it in the try on portion. This is the little box that it came in. I am in the shade number 5, or number 5 was what was sent to me, and it's actually like a pretty dark brown, and it looks really nice. It actually has, I want to say it has like little is that fibers, or one of my hairs just got stuck in there? I think one of my hairs got stuck in there. But it's basically like a gel with colored gel, and it just fills them in and kind of just makes them look a little bit more, you know, together. So I feel like if you have really sparse eyebrows, you would really enjoy this. And this is worth $24. Oh, it does have tiny microfibers. My bad. So it has tiny little microfibers, and they adhere to your skin, which make your eyebrows look more fuller, which, girl, I do not have a problem with full eyebrows. Like, God was like, boom, just put like some major eyebrows on me. Next thing in here is actually what I have on my lips. It's the Half Caked Game Changer Lip Font Trio. This is worth $32. It's feather light texture, dries completely matte, as you can see right there on my lips, and it says to exfoliate your lips and hydrate a little bit before applying. So this is what it looks like. I thought that the carton was super cute. It looks like a little deck of cards, and as you can see there, just super cute, the little details on here. I really like that. And it comes with 3 of them for $32. I have tried this brand previously and really enjoy it. So it comes with a nude, like it's kind of like berry tones, like from light to dark. This one's a little bit more nudie in person. Yeah, in person, in the camera it's showing up a little bit more berry tone. And I do lip swatches of all 3 colors for you guys in the try on portion, but really enjoy their brand. And it actually smells really nice. It has like that cake smell when you're applying it. And then the last thing in here is the Jekka Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. I've never used this brand before and had never heard of it, and this is what it looks like. It's a liquid corrector, so it is one of those color correctors, and it comes in a tube like this, and it's almost like this orangey peachy tone right there. And I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised because as you can see there, it's more of a liquidy formula and it's more of a sheer application, so it just gives more of that nice little under eye like coverage, so it helps with dark circles. And you guys will see my dark circles in the try on portion, and I apply it to one eye, and you can kind of see the difference on camera, and you can tell me what your opinion is down below if you think it works or not. But I do feel like my concealer went on really nicely on top of it, and it did really help, you know, help conceal those under eye bags. I mean, not bags, circles. So it helps darkness and even out your skin tone. And I do like the fact that it's like more liquidy and more not as like super pigmented, because if you put like a super pigmented what's it called, color corrector, and then you put concealer on top, sometimes it can be a little bit too much. And you know, as you age, you have more texture and more stuff there, so the less, sometimes less is a little bit better, the more texture and stuff you have underneath your eyes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the try on portion so you guys can see the products that I did try on and then share my final thoughts. Okay, from the box, the first thing that I'm gonna try out is this Jekka Black. This is a liquid corrector 2.0. I don't know what that is. I've never tried this brand. But a liquid corrector is usually like something like a color corrector. So this one looks like it's a peach one. So I'm thinking it's for under eyes. So let me see. Yes, it says that it offers a light coverage and corrects under eye darkness, which mama got some. So I already have a primer on, and I'm just gonna open this up, and ooh, that is liquidy. Okay, so don't squeeze too hard or you'll make a mess. But okay, so I'm just gonna grab some from here, and let's get my little Miss Piggy. I love this freaking mirror so much. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap some underneath there, and yeah, when they said light, it's definitely light. A lot of these correctors are usually super pigmented, and this one's a lot lighter, which might be a good thing, because sometimes over pigmentation isn't the greatest either. Okay, I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. Maybe just blend this out a little bit with my sponge and see if you guys can see any difference from one eye and the other. Can you tell? Can you tell? Did it help with my under eyes? Did it conceal it? I feel like you can see that it covered it a little bit. Obviously, on top of this, I will put my concealer, but I feel like it does kind of, you know, you can definitely see that it neutralizes the undertones quite a bit, which is really, really nice. And I have tried other orangey correctors. There's some that I like more than others. To me, the NYX one, or a lot of these ones that are way too orange, like LA Girls and stuff, is way too intense of a color for me. I kind of like more this Becca one that's like a peachy tone. And I also used to have, yeah, here it is. The Urban Decay one is like this orangey light color as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eye, and then I think everything else is stuff that I will show you guys once my makeup is done. The next product that we are going to try on is this little Gimme Brow by Benefit. The shade that they sent me is the number 5. So this is what it looks like. I actually had like a mini of this that I had gotten at one point from one of my subscription boxes, and I really liked it. So let's see how this works. I don't have anything on my eyebrows. I have a little bit of foundation, but we shall see. Because it's been a hot minute. And I do have pretty full eyebrows naturally, so it's not like it's gonna make a huge difference for me personally, but I do like when something just kind of you know, like fills in those little areas where I have a little bit less hair. So let me know if you guys see a difference between this one and this one. I think you can see where it's like a little fuller, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in once and then apply it to this eyebrow. And I only dip it in once because I do, like I just said, have full eyebrows, so I don't want to end up with like a crazy amount. And I like that it's almost like combing it and setting it into place at the same time. Ooh, that is nice. Oh God, I got some in the middle there. Okay, it wiped away easily. Thank God. Next product that I'm going to try on are these lippies right here. These are the half caked. This is so cute. It comes like in a deck and they're called the Game Changer 3 lip fondants. I really like this formula. I did get one previously and this is called ASAP. I don't remember which box I got this from though. I got a gloss and the lippy and I really enjoy it. So these are the 3 shades. One is called Low Key 82 Bordeaux and then Theme Song, and we're just gonna try them each on. So let's see. Okay, so first up is Low Key, and I do like the little what's this called? The little sponge at the end. It has a little space in the middle, so it kind of holds on to product, which is nice. And it's so funny, lately I've been getting all these beautiful like lip products for fall and then I'm wearing a mask. That is what, oh, that was just like a bad lip swatch, but this is what Low Key looks like. I'm just gonna do them like quickly on top, but just so you guys can kind of see the color, but they might not look perfectly on. I might do what's it called? A little reel with them, if you guys like those. So that was Low Key. Next up is Theme Song. This looks like a gorgeous nude. Oh God. Yes. And I like this formula because it's comfortable and it's not like too watery, and it gives you enough time to actually apply it and play with it and be able to like put your lips together. So this one is a little bit more on the nude side. They're very similar though, except for this one has more a little bit of a berry undertone and this one a nude. Do the last one, which is called 82 Bordeaux, which is actually the year I was born. Wow, that is red. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there, but this is a beautiful red for like Christmas, for holiday parties, just for fall. I like this color. So am I gonna keep this one on? Yeah, let me finish fixing this up and I will come back with my final thoughts. Overall, I have to say this is a really great box. I love the fact that it has a great variety of skincare with makeup. Love the half-caked formula, their lip, and this whole packaging is super cute. The Gimme Brow, I was actually really impressed with this corrector, and then the 2 skincare products are really nice. I'm gonna add those to the big box of goodies that I have. I have about probably, I wanna say it's probably like 2 pounds. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Probably like 2 pounds of makeup and brushes and skincare stuff. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that all into a box and send it out to someone. So if you want to enter, like I said, leave your email or your Instagram. If you are following me on Instagram, I will count that as a second entry. So you can have 2 entries here, and then I'll probably post a picture on Instagram where you can enter multiple times as you tag people. So yeah, so if you want to enter in the giveaway, do that down below. At least leave your email if you don't have Instagram. And if you do, leave it down below if you're following me, so that can be a second entry for you. So yeah, that is it for this month's unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. Oh, and if you enter my giveaway, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel. So definitely subscribe, hit that little red button, follow me on my social medias down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.